Miss Parwati from 12th grade Science 1. In this video, I will show you how to make YouTube thumbnails, so keep on watching! Do you know, with video thumbnails, viewers can see a quick overview of our video while browsing videos on YouTube. However, when we upload a video on YouTube, the thumbnail that appears is automatically selected by YouTube from the video we upload. Thus, the thumbnail display becomes less attractive to the audience. Like one of the thumbnails of a video I have uploaded on YouTube. Alright, to make YouTube thumbnails, watch the following video. The apps we need are YouTube. Of course, YouTube is a widely used site for sharing videos. YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is an application provided by Google to make it easier for us to manage YouTube channels. And Canva. Canva is a graphic design application that bridges users to easily design various types of creative materials online. This application provides thousands of templates that we can use, or even we can create our own designs. You can download these 3 applications on the Play Store. Okay, the steps are: first, create a thumbnail design using Canva. Open the Canva app, then click the plus icon at the bottom right. Choose Gambar Mini YouTube, then choose the template we want to use. We can delete elements we don't need. Click on the element, then select the Hapus menu. Click Hapus Group so that all elements are deleted. After that, click the plus icon at the bottom left. I will add an image via the unggahan menu. Adjust image size, then put in the position we want. To adjust the color of the image, I use the Afterglow filter with an intensity of 50. Click icon plus again, then on the element menu, select the element we want. Put the element in the position we want. Here, I added a white circle element to clarify the appearance of the previous element. To match, select the position menu, then click mundur. Click icon plus again, select the text menu, klik tambahkan judul. To change the font, select the font menu, then select the font we want. To adjust the font size, select the ukuran font menu. Repeat the previous step. Choose tambahkan subjudul and repeat the same steps to adjust it. Finally, our thumbnail design is done. Download the design by clicking the download icon at the top of the screen. The design will be saved automatically in the gallery. Second, apply the thumbnail we made earlier via YouTube Studio. Open the YouTube Studio app. Swipe until you find the content section. Select Lihat lainnya. Then, select the video that we want to give a thumbnail. Click the pencil icon to edit. After that, click the same icon again. Select Ubah. Then, use the thumbnail design that we have created. Click Done and then Simpan. And the last step, open the YouTube app to make sure our method works. Yay! We made it! We have made YouTube thumbnails according to our own creativities. Maybe that's all my procedure text video. Hopefully, this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.